Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome Miss Thomas's class, Miss Richardson's class, and Miss Whitaker's class. Today we are going to do I Can Count by Tens to 120. Before spring break, we were practicing counting by tens to 100. Now we're going to be counting to 120. So let's see how we do.
How can you count to 50 by tens?
Let's take a look at a couple of different ways.
You can use 10 frames to count by tens. How many 10 frames are there for 10? How many 10 frames are there for 20? There is one 10 frame for 10, and there are two 10 frames for 20. There are 3 10 frames for 30, 4 for 40, and 5 for 50. How many counters are there in 5 10 frames? There are 50 counters in 5 10 frames. How do you count the groups of counters by tens, starting with the first 10 frame? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You can also follow a pattern to count by tens. 6 tens is 60, 7 tens is 70, 8 tens is 80, 9 tens is 90, 10 tens is 100, 11 tens is 110, 12 tens is 120. What do you notice about the numbers as you count from 60 to 120? The number of tens is written first, followed by a 0. What do you notice about the words as you count from 60 to 90? The words start with the number of tens. 60 starts with 6. 70 starts with 7, 80 starts with 8, 90 starts with 9. What do you notice about the words when you count? Then the words for how many more tens? 100 has no more tens. 110 has one more 10. 120 has two more tens. Now you know how to count by tens.
Alright, so in our guided practice, we are going to write we're going to count how many tens we have, write how many tens we have, write what number it is, and write the number word. So in number 1, we're going to count how many tens we have. We have 1, 2, 3 tens. So I will put that's how many tens we have. So that means we have 10, 20, 30 counters. And to write 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Alright, in number 2 we have 1, 2 tens. So that means we have 10, 20 counters. And our word 20 is T-W-E-N-T-Y. And remember, parents, when we start our independent practice, if your child does not know how to spell a word, they are all listed up here at the top of this page. And now I hope you guys have fun doing your math and you are doing the rest of your independent practice with your parents. Have fun.